How to fix video call not working on your Redmi device. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your video call not working on your Redmi device. So if video call are not working on your device, so here are some troubleshooting steps that you can try. First of all, you have to check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection either through your Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can change your Wi-Fi or mobile data in your device and make sure that your video calling app like WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram and other app is updated to the latest version. So let's take an example as WhatsApp. Just go to your Play Store or Apple Store and on the search bar you have to search for the WhatsApp. Once you have searched for the WhatsApp, here you can see the WhatsApp Messenger app. If there is any update available, then you have to update this app. So you have to make sure that your app has been updated. Also, you have to navigate to your device setting. So on your device setting, you have to scroll down and navigate to your apps. On your apps, you have to just go for the manage apps. And here you have to just search for the WhatsApp. So here you have to make sure that you have enabled the app permission on your WhatsApp. Just go for the WhatsApp and you have to allow the camera. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily fix video call not working on your Redmi device. Also, you can go for the clear cache of your WhatsApp here. Sometimes a simple restart can also resolve the temporary glitches. So this is the step how you can fix your video call not working on your Redmi device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.